All right, well, you're watching Bazaar Morning Call and the markets are not doing too much, absolutely quiet. But let's get a handle on what's happening in the world of commodities. As we were telling you earlier, Brent crude prices are now well above $85 a barrel. It's been 3-4 days of an up move, but Manisha Gupta is joining in. Manisha, what are you tracking this morning?
Well, yes, crude is trading on a positive side, but what is not trading on the positive side has been the aluminum prices within the metal sector. We have seen constant profit taking into this one, so much so that we have come not only off the 8-month highs, that is where we were trading in the last week of Jan, but we also have seen a decline of nearly 5.5% over the last 1 week itself. On a month-on-month basis, we still are 2% on the higher side, but clearly we are on a downside trend when you look at aluminum, and the fundamentals really seem to be supporting this decline that we have seen. To begin with, if you look at the LME inventories, they are up 27% now for the month of Feb itself, and that is the highest in nearly 2 months. So the inventory build-up, not just in LME, but in Shanghai as well, has been quite on the stronger side. Last year, you saw LME stocks decline by 52%, and is the reason the aluminum prices made an all-time high of $4,100 a ton as well. But from the month of Feb in 2023, we have seen inventories continue to gain up. So as you can see, the start was at 1.4 million tons, but we do stand taller in sense of inventories right now. And not just on LME, the Shanghai inventories have been rising as well. China, actually, when you look at the production there, the numbers have been quite on the stronger side. It has been record production. We've seen more than 4% of a jump up in sense of Chinese production in 2022 itself, and 23 has started on a positive note as well. When you look at the power shortages, while in Europe it still is a concern, but China really seems to be easing those shortages. Markets are opening up, and we have seen production as well as smelting try to continue to hold on. So while Europe production fell nearly 12.5% in 2022, it was the Chinese production which was 4.5% higher at record of 40.2 million tons there, and is the reason when you look at the overall map in sense of production for 2021 was up 2.7%, and with even Europe's decline in sense of production, we're up by nearly 2% onto that one. Take a look at the prices then, and we have seen a very sharp decline coming on that one in last couple of weeks. All-time high in March 2022 was at $4,100 a ton. Currently, we are trading below $2,500, so still 58% down from the kind of all-time highs that we saw in the previous year.